What's up everyone, Fino here. Welcome to this channel's first ever startup product review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Omni.
Our mission is to make everyone 1,000 times better. So we built this wearable that integrates AI into your daily life. Put it on, speak, transcribe, summarize automatically. You can trigger the AI with specific words or actions. For example, "Hey Omi, I'm feeling sad."
An AI pin. So I don't have a knife, but I have keys. You know, straight innovation here. In the box, you got a QR code. Oh, listen, if you want to make a really good product, you got to make sure that it's already charged from the bat. Alright, so just because of that, I'm already a little skeptical. I started charging this little bad boy. I made a little rumble noise and everything, and I think it might be on. Next clip you're probably going to see me is not me, actually. You're going to see me tell my friends about what I'm doing. And we'll see if they think it's cool or not. Alright. Have you subscribed already? I'm sure you have, but if you haven't, why?
Why? Because a product review isn't a Fino video. Roll the real intro. I recorded that unboxing back in April of last year with the full intention to complete the review, but real life took over. As time passed, I kept looking at that Omni pin on my desk and never once did I feel the need to wear it. I didn't feel the need as I graduated from UC Berkeley or started working at Brex. I never needed to recall a conversation using Omni's note-taking function because the conversations that were important were always top of mind. We keep seeing these shock factor news articles on people getting married to AI or being convinced that they're talking to a real person because founders keep trying to commodify human connection. They did it with dating apps, and now you have a generation that clowns on people getting rejected but gets nervous when ordering a Big Mac at McDonald's. Isn't that sad? AI is supposed to enhance our lives, not replace it. It's supposed to give us more time to experience the real world. At least that's what I thought when I first put on the Omni pin. I wore it to class to take notes for me, but the app didn't record anything and I ended up just rewatching the lecture at 2 times speed. When I wore it around my friends, they got weirded out and forced me to take it off and put it in a different room. And when I had work meetings, I would have to turn it off because I didn't want confidential information being stored on the pin. But let me be honest, the pin wasn't the problem. The real issue is this AI pin removed my mind from experiencing my life.
A ton of people were asking me, I don't want to do it this way. That's just so unnatural. So unnatural.
Sad.
Nicholas Shevchenko created Omni because he wanted to emulate conversations with his idol. In reality, he's lying to himself, role-playing as someone who has the access to these great minds. Do you want advice and insights from great people? Then go outside and look for them. Go work on something so impactful that great people are attracted to you. When I put on the Omni pin, I became the opposite of that because the best version of myself doesn't need AI to succeed. So I stopped wearing the pin and chose to experience my life.
No, don't stop recording.
Okay?
I don't give consent.
You're part of the.
I don't give consent.
You're like the
this
whole.
This is probably I'm gonna demandar
I need your reaction to something. So basically, I'm recording myself because of AI thing. I can record everything. And then it makes like AI transcripts of like my conversations and all that. And then it summarizes all of it. And like the whole thing is, it lets me make like a clone of myself.
A clone?
So like it's like a chatbot. So then after Like you can have a whole conversation with me
I
without.
can have a conversation with you right now. I don't know. I think it's cool.
Do you actually think it's cool? I know the real Marisa. Marisa, it's okay.
I mean,
You're just like it's another.
Fino.
it's another.
Fino.
It's another like.
True friendship is this: actively choosing to take an interest in something that absolutely bores you because your friend is the one talking. Or in other words, showing that you care. We've all lost and made friends. Our words and actions help and hurt them. You tell AI that it has a dead-end job and it'll generate a response. But tell the same thing to your friend, who you only want the best for, and next thing you know, you two are strangers. See, AI won't tell you that your insecurity shines through as superiority. AI won't stay up until midnight to wish you a happy birthday. AI can't forgive you or condemn you, because AI can't replace friends.